If you have gotten Facebook content monetization and don't know how to go about it, or you are confused on how to go about it, in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step now to set up your Facebook content monetization so that you can start making money from your Facebook content. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, make sure you like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are not following me on this page, make sure you follow me on this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's dive into the video now. So go to your Google Chrome or the browser you are using, then type business.facebook.com. so make sure you type this on your browser. So before you can be able to do this, make sure you switch your phone to desktop mode. So you can see my phone is on desktop site, so that you can be able to see this interface. So I've logged into my Facebook page now. So first of all, if you are logging in for the first time, they will ask you to log in. I'm going to click on monetize. So I click on monetization. So you see now I've gotten my content monetization. So you can see setup. The next thing for me to do is for me to set up my content monetization, so I can make money from content monetization. If you read this place, choose to try content monetization, make money from your eligible well-performed content, manage it all in one seamless program. So you can make money from your photos, your text posts, your videos and your reels all in one place. So you just need to apply just once, and once you are accepted, then you can make money from all of this. So for you to get started, you're going to click on get started. Action required content monetization. You have a new tool to set up. Complete this task to start earning. Once you click on it, the first thing you are going to agree to terms and conditions. Then the second step is for you to set up your payout. So I'm going to click on get started. So it brings me to this interface. So the first thing I will do is for me to review the terms and conditions. So I will click on the terms and conditions. You may need your task info, routing and bank account number during setup. Make sure that you have all of this. So you click on review terms, so you can see the terms and conditions. So if you have time, you can go through all the terms and conditions that you need to obey as a content creator. You click on agree to terms and conditions. That first one has been completed, so you can see good. Now they have ticked it. Then the next step is for me to set up my account. So set up your payout account. So I'm going to set up my payout account. So if you have already set up your payout account before, you don't need to do this process again. You just need to select your payout account. But I have not set up a payout account before, so I will click on set up account. Then to take me to my profile. To this, you can add a PayPal or bank account to associate with this page. You may need your task info, routing and bank account number for setup. So I'll click on next. So it will bring you to this interface. So you enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, country and all of that. So I'm going to type all of this. You have to hold on for some time. They are processing your information. Then the next thing is for you to choose the business type. I'm going to select individual. Then I'll click on next. So the other one was giving me issue, so I log into my Facebook. So I'm going to just click on the invite message they sent to me, and I'll click on sign up. So I don't need to, I've already accepted the terms and conditions. So I think they have already created two business names for me, but since it was not complete, so it's showing unknown, I'm just going to add another business info. So I'll click on add business info. So you enter your legal name first, then your legal surname. So the next thing is for you to select your business type. So I'll click on sole proprietor, then I'll click on next. primary address. So I'm going to enter my primary address. Then your town, your region, postal code, your phone number, your email, your TIN number, your VAT if applicable, but in Nigeria that is not applicable, all of that. So I'm going to fill all these details, then I will come back. So after you are filling all your details, then you click on next. The next thing is for you to choose your payment method. So you can add the PayPal account, you can add your bank account. So I'm going to click on manually add a bank account. This is more preferable if you're in Nigeria. Once you bring that, you click on that to bring you to this interface. So they are going to show you all your details again that you fill. So make sure you reveal all the details. So here you enter your SWIFT code, then your bank account. So once you are done entering your bank SWIFT code and your bank account, then you click on link payout method. So I've linked my payout method now. Then add your task info. Click on add task info. Yes, I need to switch to continue. So I'm not a US citizen, so I'll click on no. Then the next question, are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person, or as a flow through entity? I'm not acting on behalf of any agent. The next thing, I'll click on next once I'm done with this session. So enter name and taxpayer's identity. My full name is already there. The country of citizenship, so you select your country. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Then you click on next. Then it will bring in your task information, so the information that you have already filled in before. So you go through all the information again. So if all the informations are correct, then you click on next. Add your mailing address. Click on next. Country of tax resident, to select Nigeria. As Nigeria, we don't receive a tax treaty. So next, to take it to this interface, so you have to provide your signature. So for your signature, what you simply need to do is just to enter your full name. So you click on next. So it will bring you to this place, review and submit. So you click on submit form. So you have submitted your form. Now the next thing, you are going to click on done. So say cross check. So everything is okay, so I'll click on done. So I've successfully added my task info. So this is how to apply for your monetization on Facebook. So if I go back now, and so you can see now Wiko Digital Hub has been approved to use content monetization. So my content monetization has been approved. So just took just some few minutes for them to approve my content monetization, so I can start making money from my Facebook page now. So if I go to my professional dashboard, then if I scroll down, so you can see pay art content and all of that. So if I click on content monetization, I can see my earning from here. So this is how to set up your Facebook content monetization, and so that I can start making money from your Facebook content. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you are watching me from my Facebook page, make sure you follow me on this page.